Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. I'm on a series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics. Block 3, change of subject. And under change of subject, I'm looking at relations involving fraction. Now, when you have a formula or relation which involve fraction, how do we go about it? Now, one of the ways that you can is to find the LCM. We have one example. The first example, E is equal to 1 on 2 x squared, so 0 over 1. So the LCM of 1 and 2, so we can multiply each term by the LCM. So we have, this implies that multiply this one, both times 1x squared, cancel 2, then you are going to have equal to x. Now we want to make m the subject. Let's divide both sides by x squared. X squared here, divide both sides by x squared. So x squared will cancel x squared. So you have m is equal to 1 x squared. Let's look at the second example. Make W the subject of the relation. 1 on y equal to a on x plus over w. So at the denominator we have y x w. At the LCM of, we have 1 over y is equal to a on x plus on w. So the LCM of y x w will be y x w. So we are going to multiply each term by the LCM, which is y x w. Y x w times 1 on y is equal to y x w times a on x plus y x w times on w. So the left hand side, y will cancel y. Here x cancel x, w will cancel w. So we have over here, we have x w is equal to w a plus. So here y w a, and then this term y x b left with y x. We want to make w the subject. On the left hand side we have a term in w. On the right hand side we have another term in w. So we put them together. As we always say, we group the like terms. So this implies that x w minus y w a is equal to y. So we factorize w. So we bring w out, w bracket open, x minus ay. So when you bring w out, to be left with x here minus ay. Go to, we can have b x y. So we want w, we divide both sides by x minus a w, x minus y. So cancel the bracket. W is equal to x y on x minus y. Remember, don't cancel y, this y and that. It's not done. So that is our answer. Let's look at the third question on the screen. Before I continue, or before you continue, just pause the video and try this. Mathematics is about practice. So the more you practice, the more you become perfect. So you try this one, pause it and try. Let's look at how you are going to arrive at the answer. Make x the subject of the relation Q is equal to x minus y on 2 plus xy. You have Q is equal to x minus y over plus xy. So this is over 1. Now the LCM becomes this one, or 1 times this is the same as that. And there is another way. When you have it this way, you cross multiply. You can also do it that way. So this implies that Q times 2 plus xy go to x minus y. So let's expand this. We expand by removing the bracket. So Q times 2, we have 2Q. Q times xy, we have Q xy, which is equal to x minus y. You want to make x the subject. So we have a term in x here on the left hand side. We have another term in x on the right hand side. So as we always say, you group the like terms, you put them together. So this implies that Q xy, we send this 2Q to the other side. 2 will cross the equal sign, and then the sign will also change. So Q xy minus x is equal to, so minus y minus 2Q. Bring x out, as is you factorize on the left hand side, x out. Qy minus 1 go to minus y minus 2Q. Let's divide both sides by Qy. So this will cancel this one. So we have x is equal to minus y minus 2Q on Qy. There are times if it is in objectives, you can rewrite this one as y plus 2Q over Qy minus 1. And sometimes if you want to write it in another form, you can also write it. This minus can affect the denominator, then it will become y plus 2Q over 1 minus Qy. So I'm doing this for the sake of objectives where you have options, that's the answer. So these are the 3 forms that you can write the answer. So in case the first one, the first answer is not in the option, you can rewrite it this way. If this one too is not in the option, you can go to the third one. So your x comes y plus 2Q on 1 minus. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. You've been supportive. Continue with that. But then if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe